Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making these lovely origami jumping frogs. Take a sheet of paper and fold it in half. Now fold it in half again and make a crease. Open it up and take the top right corner and fold it down. Do the same thing on the other side. Make a crease and open it up. Fold the top down to the middle line. Make a crease and open it up. Do the same thing on the other side. Now your paper should look like this. Take this side and fold it down to the middle line to make a pointy tip. Like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Now your paper should look like this. Take one of the corners and fold it up. Do the same thing for the other one. And now fold them back to make the legs. Do the same thing on the other side for the back legs. Turn the piece over and fold the sides in, like this. Fold the triangle shape at the bottom up and tuck in these flaps. Turn the piece over and fold it in half. Now fold the legs back up. The paper frog is now ready. Pull it back and let go to make it jump. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe to this channel before you go.